60% of the time, it works every time.
That doesn't make sense.
Hey everyone, my name is Nick, this is Sunday Driver, and this is a hot mess. So yeah, I'm gonna actually try to get back to work on the truck. It's been a while. Reason being, I've been finishing my basement. That's why all this wood's here and everything. You know, Sunday Driver is just a hobby. Where the basement, I needed to finish it for more space for the family. So it takes priority over the channel. So, but we're gonna work on this truck. We're gonna try to fix this oil leak on it, and try to get it back on the road. I'm gonna get it put to use. So here we go. Okay, so before I got this thing on the road, I told myself I was gonna fix that. The rear main on this thing is leaking really bad, and I used the old rope seal. So yeah, so I'll drop the oil pan and see what we find. Hopefully I don't gotta pull the tranny. So you can see I bought the 2-piece non-rope style seal. So as you can see, what I did was I put the rope in here in this first groove right here. But what I really need to do is fill this groove. I don't know how I made that mistake, but I did. So it was like I was running around with no rear main seal. So what I did was I bought the non-rope style, and you can see it just comes in 2 pieces. It's all pre-shaped, pre-bent, whatever you want to call it. And I put this one in. You can tell it slid in there perfect. It was great. And you can see the instructions, or lack thereof, install with seal lip facing forward, so towards the engine. So yeah, so I'm gonna see if I can crawl under there. All I did was take off the oil pan and see if I can slip this in. Okay, you can see here's the seal I'm pounding in. And I don't know what I was thinking, but up here, here's my rope seal. That's where I put it. So I pretty much had no rear main seal at all. So I just got to keep hammering that in. What I'm just using is I'm just using the end of a hammer, and I'm just slowly tapping it. And I've been lubing it, trying to get it to go, but and it's got to obviously come out the other side. But no wonder this thing was leaking so bad. It's like I had no rear main. I don't know why didn't I check that. I must have thought that this rope was, I mean, it's pretty wide. I must have thought there's no way it fits in here. It must go in here, but I didn't check it. That was foolish of me. So, oh well, live and learn. Let's get it in there and button it back up and pray that it works. Okay, so I just got back from a test drive after buttoning it up. The rear main doesn't look like it's leaking anymore, so that's good. I've got the oil plug's leaking, but you know, that's nothing compared to what it was. So I ordered a new plug. I'll put it in a couple days when it gets here. So let's try something else, shall we? So a while back, I welded a hitch on the trailer, and the leaves have fallen. It's fall, so I finally got to some of my leaves, which means I gotta haul some out. So we're gonna tow some leaves. We'll give it a little towing test run. I know I towed the Firebird that I had just around the cul-de-sac here. Well, let's actually take it out on the road, shall we? Let's see what happens. Drop off some leaves, shall we? dropped off. I'm reaching for a seat belt. There is no seat belt. Anyway, these are done. Looking good. Let's get out of here. Well, made it. The old girl did good. Honestly, it towed it like it wasn't even there. It's nice. So, yeah. So, but that's what I wanted to do with this truck. I wanted to put it to work. I didn't want just obviously I didn't want a pretty truck. I just wanted something fun that I could use and enjoy driving. So I think that's going to do it for this episode. Thank you for watching. I sure do appreciate it. If you could like and subscribe, per usual, you'd be my hero. So thanks again. Take care.